Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Dhaule Pallavi and our today's Viva topic name is class or object. So we will see one by one. Firstly, we will see what is mean by class and how we use and how many time we use class in our program. Then what is mean by class? So class is a collection of object which have some common properties. So class is a logical entity, it is not a physical entity. A single class can contain field, constructor, method. mm, we can, if you want to create more than one method in a single class or more than one constructor in a single class, then we can create a multiple constructor methods or field in a single class. Then some simple syntax of class is a class name, open curly braces, and block of code. And in that block of code we mention such as field, constructor, methods, then close curly braces. Then second one is and class is we can create a class only once in our program. A class is a not manipulated because there is no space in memory. And class is collections of and group of object. And then what is mean by object? So object is a runtime entity. Object is a physical entity, it is a not a logical entity, it is a real time entity. And object have two types of object, such as living object or non-living object. What is mean by living object? So living object means object which is easily move from one position to another position, it is called as living object. And what is mean by non-living object? So object which does not live from one position to another position, that is called as non-living object, such as like a chair, pen, pencil, book. Those are non-living object. And living object example is such as man, then human, cat, dog, like all animals which is easily move from one position to another position. I have difference between a class and object. So class is a collection of object and object is an instance of classes. Then class is does not manipulated because it does not have any space in memory, and object have some space in memory. Then class is a logical entity, and object is a physical entity. And then class is a collection of object, and object is an instance of class. And then class is a class we can create the class only once in our program. And object we can create multiple object in a single program. Here is the difference between class or object. So that is all about class or object. Thank you so much.